Thank you so much for this great opportunity, and special thanks to Hitex team. They supported me very well annamata. And in terms of orders చెప్పాలి అని అంటే lakhs of rupees లోనే on the spot orders మాకు వచ్చాయండి. So we are very very happy and very grateful and very thankful to Hitex.
So I think the exhibition is doing a wonderful activity of even introducing our brand to many people.
అందులో ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కూడా మాకు చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీ. కోవిడ్ నుంచి వచ్చిన వల్ల మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది.
It was a lot of exposure in both the ways, so for customers and also for businesses.
The crowd turnaround was excellent. We got more than 50 inquiries in last 2 days.
All in all, it was a great experience for us.
Thanks to the organizers for putting up a wonderful show.
It is a very good beginning in 2021. Thank you so much.
Overall, in our history of 17 years, we have promoted many events, but this one is very close to our